So hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to hide or change your name, username and email address in the title bar of MS Office. Now I have tried this trick in MS Office 2019 Professional Plus, but if you have some other version of MS Office, you may try this trick, and if this works for you, let others know in the comment section. So when I open MS Office, you can see that my username, name and email address are visible. Now first I will show how to change all of these, and later I will show you how to hide all of these. Now for this, you have to open Registry Editor. Type in the search box regedit and press enter. Now in the address bar, you have to type this path. Don't worry, I will provide this path in the description and also in the pinned comment. Now after typing this path, hit enter. Now you can see in the left side, there is a folder called Identities. Now under this folder, there is another folder whose name is something like this 300 live ID. Now in your computer, maybe you have some different name. You just have to click on this folder. Now come to the right side, you have to find an attribute called friendly name. Now double click on this and you will find a string. Now this is the username that is shown in the MS Office. Now if you want to change the name, you have to change this value. Suppose I put TN and click OK. Now when I close MS Word and reopen it, now you can see that my username has been changed to TN from TricksNest. But if you also want to change this email address, you again have to go to Registry Editor and you have to find email address. Now double click on this and change this to whatever value you want. I will change the string TricksNest to TN 2023@outlook.com. Now again when I close MS Word and reopen it, you can see now both my username and also my email address has been changed. Now this doesn't only change in MS Word. Even if I open MS Excel, you can see that changes are also reflected here. Now I will show you how to hide both username and email address in MS Office. So for this, again we have to visit Registry Editor. Now if you want to hide your username and email address in MS Office, you have to double click friendly name and just delete all of the contents and enter blank space from your keyboard and press OK. And also in the email address, you just have to delete all of the contents and enter a blank space and press OK. Now when I close MS Word and reopen it, you can see that all my username and also my email address have gone, but you can see that my initials are still visible, and also when I click it, my name displays for a second. If you want to hide both of these, again you have to visit Registry Editor and you just have to change first name and last name. So when I click first name, and I have to delete its contents and enter a blank space and press OK. And also in the last name, I will delete all its contents and enter a blank space and press OK. Now I have to close MS Word, and when I reopen it, you can see that all of those things are gone. Note that you may need to restart your computer after changing the registry. If this video helped you, please do like and subscribe.